Good morning to one and all. I am Yashodha from Department of Computer Science. Today my topic is what is data analysis and why we are using data analysis in Python and what is the difference between data analysis and data analytics. So suppose we can discover the fundamentals of the difference between data analysis and the data analysis. It is the powerful approach. It transforms the raw information into the business insights and this is the data analysis process from collection to insight. What is meant by data? Data is gathering the raw input. So what is the meaning of data collection? Data collection is also a gathering of raw data from various sources. It includes databases, surveys, sensors, and digital platforms to build the comprehensive data sets. So we can see in this picture. In this picture, we can see data collection and data storage and database and insight. The data collection is nothing but collection of databases, services, sensors, etc. And what is the meaning of the data storage? We can collect the information on the data and we can store it on the data storage. And in this data storage, the overall information can be stored on database. The data in this database we can see the cleaning process also. The data cleaning means the handling the missing values and remove the inconsistency of the data, and it is a standardized form to ensure the data quality and readability. This is data cleaning process. Data cleaning is also called as a human errors also. And what about analysis process? Analysis process is a statistical method. In this statistical method, we apply so many algorithms and analytical techniques also to uncover the patterns, trends, and relationships about two products within the data. So in this analysis, we can find out the statistical methods. That is nothing but mean, median, mod, etc. etc. And what about insight? Insight is the graphical representation about the analysis process. So it transforms the analytical findings to actionable recommendation that drive strategies. And in this insights, this is a decision making and business growth also. Now what is this is the diagram of data analysis and data analytics. In this diagram, data analysis, we can see some plots are there, some charts is visible on your desktop. So in this data visible charts, there is a line chart, bar chart, pie chart, column chart, scatter plot chart. There's so many options are there, and this data analytics we can see ups and downs on the plotting techniques, and this is the dashboard of the data processing. In this data analytics we can see the fluctuations of the data. Now what is the difference between? There is a types of data analysis. First one is a descriptive analysis, and second one is diagnosis analysis. Third one is a predictive analysis, and fourth one is prescriptive analysis. And what is the meaning of descriptive analysis? It is the summarized historical data to understand what happens in this data analysis. So we can use some metrics and reports and dashboards to provide the clear insight to the past performance and current status. What about diagnosis analysis? It is the diagnosis means investigation and something happened by our drilling down to the data, and it also identify the root causes, correlations, and factors that influence the specific outcomes of our trends. This is called the diagnosis analysis. And what about predictive analysis? Predictive analysis is nothing but a future trends, and it is used to display the statistical models using the machine learning techniques also, and it helps to the organization to change and prepare the statistical and strategic responses. And what about prescriptive analysis? Prescriptive analysis is totally changed to above the predictive analysis. Predictive analysis is going to future trends, and prescriptive analysis to achieve the desired outcomes, specific actions performed by the data. And it combines the prediction with the optimization techniques to suggest the best course of the action. Now we can see the some real world examples of real world applications of data analysis and data analytics also. We can use both in Indian businesses. There is e-commerce giants and banking sectors and healthcare systems also. In this e-commerce websites, we can use the cloud computing process also. And it is used to Flipkart, Amazon, and used to predict the analysis to understand the customer behaviors, to analyze the predictive demands and optimize the pricing and personalize the recommendations for the millions of users. What about banking sector? There is huge banking sectors of in India. In this banking sector, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank to analyze the transaction partners patterns to detect fraud while using predictive analytics for credit scoring and risk assessment of in a loan approvals. And this we can see the another example of the healthcare system. Suppose we can take Apollo Hospital to examine the patient data to improve the treatment outcomes and employs and analytics to predict diseases, and it break the optimized resources allocations across the facilities. Now we can see which tools are used in this data analysis topic. There is a huge tools we can beyond the tools and technologies of the data analysis, that is Excel, Python, Tableau, and so many. In this way, we discuss about a few of technologies, that is MS Excel. It is also called as a Microsoft Excel, as we know, and it is perfect for the beginners to analyze the data, which Boolean functions, pivot tables, and charting the capabilities. And it is widely used across the Indian business for financial modeling and reporting. Now we can see on Tableau, it is a data visualization platform. It is most common and leading platform on our India, and it is transferred the complex data sets into interactive dashboards and compiling the visual stories for stakeholders presentation. Now we can see the Python. So Python is also we know Python is a powerful programming language with extensive libraries, and in this Python we can see so many libraries are there. In this Python we can see 200 plus libraries available in Python. Very few Python libraries are there, that is pandas. So in pandas we can use it to display the data framing option, and numpy it is array oriented numerical Python language, and skitlearn, and it is the research oriented language, and there are so many ideal for complex statistical analysis and machine learning applications also. It is used in Python. Now what about SQL database? So database is the collection of raw data, and it is essential for querying and managing the large data sets. In this database we can extend it with MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle